question. Carter put a character inside his egg to see if he'll meet it down the portal.
It's Aquaman.
Aquaman's in the egg. You put different surprises in the eggs, see if they can go down, race the different eggs at a time. And we made chutes for them this time. That was a little bit challenging.
So let me try.
Oh, you knocked that guy out of the way.
Yeah.
Put a couple down at the same time. Ooh, that one didn't. Oh, those guys didn't make it. Did you shift it? Do you have to adjust the ramp?
And mine got just broke out.
You might have to adjust the ramp.
Mine is way in there. Okay, mine got just broke out.
There he goes. Made it down to the last one.
Yeah. Remember that egg? Is it do start? Is it do in here?
Yeah, that was awesome. Went
What's
all the
this
way
one?
down. Ready? There it goes. Let's see if he. Oh, he split after the third one.
He wanted to. He didn't want. He wanted to. He couldn't.
Oh, he got stuck. Give him a push. Oh, so close. Their goal is to try to make it down to that box. He's made it a few times. There he goes. All right, you adjusted the ramp a bit. Let's see what happens. Oh, so close.
My turn.
I've been playing with this for quite some time.
Whoa!
There
Let
we
me
go.
out of here.
All right, so cool. Have fun.